Hey guys, it's Steven here at Edwards Garage in Rocky Mountain House. I want to tell you about this 2014 Ram 1500 Sport with the Hemi 5.7 liter. We just got into inventory. Really nice unit. The customer who had it just upgraded to a 1-ton. They had a bigger trailer, and so we ended up becoming the proud owners of this nice piece, and hopefully you will be pretty soon too. Couple things about it. It's got projector style halogen headlights. With the sport package, it's got a few extra goodies like the front park assist, you've got lower fog lights, and you've got the painted grille here on the front. Just give it a little bit extra sex appeal, as I say. With this unit, it's got Moto Metal wheels and a Duratrack Wrangler, a little bit offset, so it's got a little bit of a nicer stance on it. It looks really good as you're ripping down the road. We've got running boards on the side. It's got rubber heavy-duty mud flaps. The unit's in really good shape. Nothing too crazy in regards to scratches, dents, dings, anything like that. It does have a backflip tonneau cover, so that's about a $1,200 touch. You don't have to worry about it. It's on there already. Rear bumper's in good shape. There's just a few little spots here that have been touched up, but totally not noticeable whatsoever unless you're looking right up close, just right on the corner. But yeah, it's as mentioned, good shape. It's got a backup camera, you name it, spray and box liner. It's ready to go here for life in Alberta. Tow hitch on her, dual exhaust. It's got the 7 and the 4-pin plug for trailering, so you could do kind of whatever you want that a truck gives you. Over on the driver's side, same sort of story. It's in really good shape. Somebody just drove through this puddle, so apologize. We just got a few little dirt marks on it just as we were doing the video. It is the crew cab, so you do have a really large back seat. This unit was equipped with the Husky liners when the customer traded in to us, so you don't have to worry about upgrading that sort of stuff. It's got the perforated leather seats, and then a few extra goodies, which we want to talk about when we get inside it. So let's go sit inside, and I'll give you a little bit more detail. All right, guys, we're inside this 2014 Dodge Sport, and it is a very comfortable truck, I have to say. I'm a pro Chev guy, being we're a GM store, but there's a lot of really nice things to like about this unit. One of the cool things the Dodge has is the active turn dial shifter, so you leave your center console a lot more open up for extra space. You don't have to worry about the shifter here or on the steering column, so just a little bit unique to get used to out of the way. It does have 4-wheel drive with the auto function, so you just hit it and forget it come winter time. Some of the little comfort creatures that this unit has, things like heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, the trailer brake controller, the tow haul mode, you name it, dual zone climate control, and then kind of where all the action happens, you've got the upgraded touchscreen radio with satellite, AM, FM. You can get your heated controls here. You've got navigation. You've got your Bluetooth, so you can pair up your phone and whatnot. Really handy that way. It's super easy to use and has come a long way in the Dodge world the last few years. It does have a household outlet as well, and then a 12-volt plug-in. Lots of storage, okay, with USB ports and whatnot in here as well, okay, so you can connect your devices up, get them charged up, you name it. And then an even deeper pocket inside there, which I really like on this unit. It has heated power folding mirrors, okay. It's got an auto dimming rear view mirror, which is nice. Power windows, power locks, all that sort of stuff standard. You name it. Unit's got 111,289 kilometers, and it has a power sliding rear window, a sunroof, as well as a built-in garage door opener. So it pretty well is loaded as you can get for the most part, with the exception of a few little minor things. If this is a unit you think would be for you, come on down. We're located in Rocky Mountain House. It's Edwards Garage, and we're right on the corner and right on the price.